Hello students, welcome to online lecture of 10th Math Set First. Student, in Standard 10 Mathematics Second, we had completed topic number first, linear equation in two variables. Now we see the next topic, second topic, quadratic equation. Before going to start topic number second, we learn some things that we recall some things you had seen in last standard. That is, you know very well the polynomials. Which are the polynomials and what are the types of this polynomial? Linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. We define the polynomial as there are two or more terms, then we call it as polynomial. You well know, okay? But there are different types of polynomial according to their degree. Highest index, we call it as degree. So according to degree, the polynomial is converted as linear polynomial and quadratic. What is meant by linear? You had seen, if its degree is 1, degree of that polynomial is 1, then you call it as linear polynomial. And its quadratic, when its degree is 2, then you call this as quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial. So I write here some examples. See, 3x plus 2, x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. These are the linear equations because here variable present is x and its degree is 1. You can write in this way, 5m minus 2 is equal to 8. Here also variable is 1m and its degree is 1. So these are the linear equations. And quadratic, degree 2, you can write as x square minus 9, or you write as m square plus 4m plus 3. Here variable present is m and its degree is 2. Variable is x and its degree is 2. Highest index, that is degree, is 2. Therefore, it is called a quadratic equation. You all know these, okay? Also, you know how to write the polynomial in coefficient form. You had already learned in 9th standard. If the given polynomial is there, then we write this polynomial in standard form and index form, that is, and we write it in the coefficient form. What is that coefficient form? You had already learned the coefficient form of polynomial. These are the basic things you had learned. Now you know there is bridge course. In that bridge course also this concept is given: polynomial, what is the degree of polynomial, then how to write the polynomial in index form, coefficient form, also addition, subtraction of polynomials, factors of polynomials. So it is the basic concepts. So I had given here these. Now what is the coefficient form of polynomial? You write any polynomial. Suppose I write here m cube plus 5m square minus 10m plus 3. So how we write this in coefficient form? You write first term m cube degree coefficient is 1, then m square is 5, m is 10 minus 10 and constant term is 3. Suppose there is one term is absent, then we write 0. That is, here if suppose x cube minus 3x plus 1 is there, so you write this as 1, 0, because here cubic term is present, square term is absent. You this write as x cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 1. So coefficient form is 1, 0, minus 3 and 1. Okay. These are the basic concepts. Okay. Now we will see what is the quadratic equation and what is here. I had told you what is the quadratic equation. Then what is its standard form? We will see. See student, first we see standard form of quadratic equation. Now you know what is the quadratic equation. What is the definition of quadratic equation, or which equation we call it as quadratic equation? If an equation contains only one variable and its degree is 2, that is highest index is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. Okay. Understand what is quadratic equation? Equation having one variable and its degree is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. Okay. So we here see standard form of quadratic equation. We write any equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers and a not equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c are real numbers and this condition you remember, a not equal to 0 means coefficient of x square is 0. If this becomes 0, then what happens? Bx plus c is equal to 0. So it becomes linear equation. Why? Because this term becomes 0. Bx means its degree is 1. So it becomes linear equation. So the condition must be a not equal to 0. So this is called a standard form or general form of quadratic equation. So you can write any equation in standard form. For example, if you write x square minus 4 is equal to 0, we have to write this in the standard form. So how we write the standard form? The standard form of x square minus 4 is equal to 0 is, first x square term is there, then x and then constant is x square, then here x term is absent, so you write as 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Okay. Similarly, you can write y square is equal to 2y minus 7. We have to write this in standard form. So how we write? First we write y square as it is, then y term, take this 2y here, LHS minus 2y minus 7 becomes plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Okay. From this you can calculate a, b, c also. See here, what is the value of a? If we compare this with, if I compare this with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, then what we get? We get value of a as 1, value of b as minus 2 and value of c as 7. Similarly here, if we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 4. Okay. In this way, from the given equation, you can write this equation in first standard form, and from the standard form you can find the values of a, b, c. Okay. Students, after writing standard form of the quadratic equation, you may write how to find it is quadratic equation or not. I had told you, if its degree is 2 and it is only one variable, then we say that it is quadratic equation. Also, we had given some question like this, decide whether it is quadratic equation or not. So suppose I had given here example 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation or not? Yes, because here variable is x and its degree is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. Similarly, suppose I write here x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Observe, student, it is quadratic equation or not? From observation here there is no degree 2, but you simplify it, then we get the degree 2. बघा इथे डायरेक्ट ऑब्झर्वेशन लिहायचं नाही आहे. फर्स्ट वी मल्टिप्लाय विथ x into x square plus x into 3x, then multiply with 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 3 6 is equal to 0. That is x square plus 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. See, the given example is x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. But we convert this into x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So from this you see that here variable present is x and its degree is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. Okay. Similarly, suppose m cube minus 3m plus 7 is equal to 0. Such type of example is there. So what do you write? Here variable present is m and its degree is 3. So it is not quadratic equation. Okay, understand how to find it is quadratic equation or not. Now we see one more point, that is it is solution of quadratic equation. When we shall say that it is solution, suppose I have given here example x plus 3 is equal to 5. Then which value, if I put value of x as 2, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we called as x is equal to 2 is the solution of this linear equation. असं आपण म्हणू शकतो का बघा, x is equal to 2 हे काय आहे, लिनियर इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन आहे. म्हणजे काय म्हणायचं, सोल्युशन कधी आहे, if the value of variable satisfies the equation, then we call it as it is solution of that equation. Variable ची व्हॅल्यू, जर व्हेरिएबल ची ती व्हॅल्यू ती इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करत असेल तर आपण त्याला काय म्हणणार आहे, त्याचं सोल्युशन आहे. ओके, अंडरस्टँड. आय हॅड कवर्ड. सी फर्स्ट पॉइंट, what is the quadratic equation? When we say that it is quadratic equation or not, if there is present variable only one variable and its degree is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. Second, write any quadratic equation in standard form or general solution of general form of quadratic equation. What is the form? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then third one, write the given equation in standard form and then find the values of a, b, c. We first write the given equation in standard form and then compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get the values of a, b, c. And last one, it is solution or not. When we put the value of variable, then we get LHS and RHS same, or if we satisfy the condition, we say that it is solution of that equation. Okay, understand all this concept. Now we will see example based on it. That is some examples in practice set 2.1. So let's start. See practice set 2.1. Question number 1 is write any two quadratic equation. You can write any two quadratic equation. Each student answer will be different. Okay, some students take any variable from a, b, c to x, y, z, any letter, and you form the quadratic equation. You remember only one thing, that you take only one variable and highest power is 2. You form yourself. X square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. M square minus 5m minus 2 is equal to 0. तुम्ही तुमचं हे करायचं आहे. ओके, देन व्हॉट इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन? डिसाइड which of the following are quadratic equations. Which of these are quadratic equation? For proving quadratic equation, I had told you variable present is only one and its degree is 2. So here which one is the variable? There is variable x. Here variable is x and degree of x is 2. Therefore, given equation is, you can write given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, in this way you can write. Okay, now see the third one, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Here we don't say that. Here degree is 2. Y square index is 2. But here y is to 1. At the numerator it becomes y is to minus 1. So you here first simplify. What is this? See, if I take denominator 1, then take LCM y square into y cube plus 1 is equal to 2. That is y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. So we get y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here variable present is y and its degree is 3. Here variable is y and its degree is 3. Okay. Therefore, given equation is not quadratic equation. Okay, understand why it is quadratic and why it is not quadratic. Similarly here you first simplify, multiply with x into x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2. That is x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2x. That is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now see, you write in this way. Here variable present is x and its degree is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. Similarly here, you simplify, multiply by m into m square plus not minus m into 5 is 5m plus multiply with 2m plus minus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, we get m square, correct this term, minus 5m plus 2m, that is minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0. Here you write, here variable present is m and its degree is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, understand how to find it is quadratic equation or not? If from observation you see, but sometimes you may calculate, you may further simplify and then decide it is quadratic equation or not. Not here directly you decide it is quadratic equation. You first simplify and then decide. Okay. See question number 3. Write the following equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c. We had given first example 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. Here you had given 6 example. I am here solving only 3 example. Remaining 3 example you solve yourself. See, we have to write in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We call this as standard form or general form of quadratic equation. So first, all take on the LHS. RHS will be 0. So take on in LHS, that is we get 2y. Take here plus y square minus 10 is equal to 0. That is we write y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. This is standard form. Compare y square plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0 with our general form is ax square. What is here variable is y. So you write ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Compare with standard form. We get c. I write here y square खाली y square लिहा तुम्हाला compare करायला सोपं जातं. We get value of a as c. Y square is there. What is the coefficient of here? Y square 1. So we get a is equal to 1. Similarly, what is the value of b? Here y is there. B is 2. And what is the value of c? C is minus 10. So we write the given equation in standard form and we calculate the values of a, b, c. Okay. Similarly, see the third example. You write this as simplified x square plus 5x is equal to minus plus minus 3 minus minus plus x. Take all the terms in LHS. X square plus 5x. This becomes plus 3 and minus x. That is x square 5x minus x is 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. This is standard form of quadratic equation. Okay. Now we have to find a, b, c. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of a is 1, b is 4 and c is 3. Okay, very simple. Similarly, fourth one, 3m square. Take all the term on the left hand side, RHS. Minus 2m square, this minus become plus 9. 3m square minus 2m square, like terms, collect the like terms. Like term ची addition subtraction होते. लक्षात आलं का बघा? तुम्हाला ब्रिज कोर्स मध्ये आहे बघा addition subtraction of polynomials मध्ये. लाइक टर्मची आपल्याला ॲडिशन होते का? लाइक टर्मची सबट्रॅक्शन होते का? लाइक टर्मचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन होतं का? असे क्वेश्चन आहेत. 3m square minus 2m square is only m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, we write standard form. Standard form is m square plus, you write here 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Here, second term is absent. Coefficient of m is absent. So we write 0m. Compare with am square. Here m is variable, so you write am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. We get what is the value of a? M square is there. Value of a is 1. Then value of b is 0 and value of c is 9. So in this way we write this in the standard form and after completing we write it in the a, b, c values. Okay. See question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. दिलेले व्हॅल्यू याचे रूट्स आहेत का नाही? I had told you at the starting of this topic when the given values are roots of this equation, if this value satisfies this equation, then we say that it is root of that equation. What is meant by satisfy? If when we put the value of m in this, then LHS and RHS become same, then we say that it is the value of that, it satisfies this value, so it is root of that equation. बघा, तुम्हाला एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला आणि त्या क्वेश्चनचं तुम्ही मला अपेक्षित उत्तर दिलं तर तुमच्या उत्तरानं माझं काय होणार आहे? सॅटिस्फॅक्शन होणार आहे. जर नाही झालं तर नाही, रॉंग आन्सर असेल तर तसंच इथं आहे. ह्या एमच्या व्हॅल्यूने जर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन झालं म्हणजे काय? ही व्हॅल्यू इनपुट केल्यानंतर एलएचएस आणि आरएचएस जर सेम आले इज इक्वल, then we say that this is root of that equation. I have told you how to find. See, so first write the given equation. The given equation is given quadratic equation is 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. First we check for m is equal to 2. For m is equal to 2, we check it is root of this equation or not. M is equal to 2 is root of that equation or not, we check. First write LHS 2m square minus 5m. So you put, whenever m is there, you put 2. 2 into 2 square minus 5m is equal to 2 into 2 square is 4 minus, sorry, here m value is 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. So LHS is minus 2 and RHS is here. LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is not root of given quadratic equation. Okay, understand? Similarly, for m is equal to second, for m is equal to 5 upon 2, we see. Right, first LHS is 2m square minus 5m. Whenever m is there, you put 5 upon 2. 2 into 5 upon 2 square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. 2 into 5 square is 25 upon 2 square is 4 minus 5 5s are 25 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you get 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to 0. LHS becomes 0. Therefore here LHS and RHS is also 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore m is equal to 5 by 2 is root of the given equation. Root of the given quadratic equation or given equation. Okay, understand? When LHS and RHS are same by the given value, we say that it is solution of that quadratic equation. See students, question number 5, you solve yourself. Question number 6 is given one activity based question. One of the roots of the equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. See, we had given one of the root. We had given this equation, and this equation has one root. That root is minus 7 upon 5. One root is given, and we have to find the value of k. If one root is there, so it satisfies the given equation. You had seen the earlier question. It is root or not, how we find? If it satisfies the equation, then it is root. So here given it is root of this equation. So minus 7 upon 5 value satisfies this equation. So we start to solve this activity. Dash dash is root of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Which is the root given? We have given minus 7 upon 5. It is the root of the given equation. Therefore, it satisfies the given equation. Therefore, we put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5. So what becomes 5 as it is? M square means minus 7 upon 5 square plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. See what happens here, k as it is, you simplify this. 5 into 7 7s are 5 into 7 7s are 49 upon 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Means answer is 49 upon 5. And here plus minus minus 7 2s are 14 upon 5. Here you simplify this. 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5. Denominator 5 as it is 49 minus 14. That is 35. Okay. Here I write here 35 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are. So here you directly write So we get k is equal to -7. This is the rough calculation. Okay. First is given it is root of the quadratic equation. Therefore we put value of m as -7/5 in this equation. 5 into -7/5 square plus 2 into -7/5 plus a is equal to 0. You simplify this and directly write here. 5 into 7 square 49/25. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. 49/5 plus minus 2 7 are 14/5. So here to calculation this answer will be 7. You write here 7. Therefore we get value of a as -7. Okay. So students, today in this video we had started topic number 2, quadratic equation. In that quadratic equation we had seen first how to find what is the definition of quadratic equation. That is, how we find the given equation is quadratic equation or not by its degree. Okay, degree is 2, then it is quadratic equation. Then we had seen standard form of quadratic equation. We write it is quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Also we had seen it is value of the quadratic equation, that is solution of the quadratic equation or root of the quadratic equation. It is root or not, we had seen. And also we completed examples in practice set 2.1. Some examples I had given here, remaining examples and the whole exercise you write yourself. So your today's homework is write the points I had told you, notes on it, and also solve practice set 2.1 completely in your notebook. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.